Welcome. This is the Dash, Burley's rear-mounted child bike seat. Designed for an easy tandem ride, the Dash provides a small footprint and can carry a child up to 40 pounds. The Dash has two different attachment methods, either rack or frame mounted. The Dash RM or rack mount features two colors, black and gray and cream with green. The Dash FM or frame mount comes in black and gray, and two fitment options, standard or extended rails. The Dash X FM is the same great Dash FM. It's available in black and gray and offers added comfort with 20 degrees of recline. Each Dash model features an adjustable 5-point harness system that can be moved up to fit your growing child. Removable and washable seat and harness padding make for easy cleaning. Adjustable footrests can be moved into 4 different positions. Armrests make longer rides more comfortable. The integrated rear reflector adds extra visibility. A rear storage compartment conveniently stores small items. And the lightweight design makes for an easier ride. Easily mount Dash RM to a rack by rotating the knob until it's snug. Then, buckle the safety strap around the bike seat tube. For the Dash FM and Dash X FM, install the mounting block to the bike seat tube. Insert the mounting rails into the block until the 2 green safety indicators pop into place. Then, buckle the safety strap around the bike seat tube. Please be sure to consult the manual for specific attachment instructions. With the Dash, adventure is accessible and fun, providing a closer to the child cycling experience.
The Babyseat 2 is the world's first baby carrier to feature an innovative suspension system designed to smooth out the ride. The Babyseat 2 features a unique slide lock attachment system that requires no tools to mount or remove the seat from the rack. Once the seat is positioned on the rack, remove the slide lock from its storage position and insert the slide lock into the rack, securely locking the Babyseat 2 to the heavy-duty rack. Its wraparound seat and integrated roll bar creates a virtual cocoon of protection. Safety features include a secure and easy-to-adjust 6-point harness system, and a padded locking safety bar gives little hands a place to grip. Adjustable footrests with straps keep small feet away from spinning wheels. The Babyseat 2 features an exclusive spring suspension system that cushions baby from bumps and jolts for a smoother ride. When it's time to store the Babyseat 2, simply push a button, remove the slide lock, and remove the seat from the rack. The rack is Quick-Track complete with all Topeak MTX trunk bags and MTX rear baskets. The Babyseat 2 complies with stringent American, European, Japanese safety standards.